Hey, what's going on, everybody? Okay, so today I gotta tell you, I've noticed this seems to be an ongoing thing. It never changes. You have people that are fairly new to photography. They've had their camera body for a little while, and they're not happy with their photos. So right away they decide, oh, you know what? I'm gonna ask on a group. What camera body should I get? Because I've had this camera for a while now and I'm not happy with the photos anymore. I want to improve, so I need a new camera body. Oh, man. Just don't. Every time I end up asking on these groups, what lenses are you using? And it's always the same answer. Oh, I'm using the 1855 kit lens. Okay. If you want to improve and get better photos, replace the lens with something of higher quality, like the Tamron or Sigma 1750 2.8. Upgrade the lens first. I guarantee you, you have not outgrown the camera that you currently are using. If you upgrade the body and you're still using the kit lens, you're just defeating yourself, because your photos are not going to be any better than they were on the camera body you had before. End of story. That's my rant for today. Don't upgrade the camera body until you've actually outgrown the full capability of that camera body. The only way for you to know if you have is to upgrade the lenses first to something of higher quality, faster aperture. Once you've done that and the camera's still not providing what you need, then by all means upgrade the camera body, because you already have the lenses that can maximize the output of the camera. If you're still using the kit lens, don't upgrade the body, upgrade the lenses first. That's it. That's all I got for today. This is just driving me crazy. It's like you're interested in buying a game console, so you decide that you're going to buy all the games first. What's the point? There is no point. That's it. End of story.